Nice view. It's close to the city. Not long till we finally go.
Hey guys, so we're in the process of unpacking things. If you don't know, we moved from the Netherlands to Slovenia to be with my parents so that I can finish my school, and we had a lot of boxes, and today we found more teas, which, yeah, it's getting ridiculous. These are the teas that we still found, and those are the teas that we already had here. I mean, who needs this much tea? Like, seriously. And we don't even drink tea that much now because it's summer. So, like, it's ridiculous. Like, for real. Well, I think we have enough tea for like a year, maybe 2 years. I don't know. So I guess that's good because we don't have to buy more tea. But I mean, God.
I think there's a thunderstorm coming, but it seems it's getting not clear. Let's check on the front. Hello, Connie. Yeah, that doesn't really sound that nice. Or I just have to put my slippers on. Okay. Hey, Connie.
I still cannot believe that Benji's to JB. They're spicy as heck.
Backhand.
But delicious.
This is the coffee machine we got. We got the Dolce Gusto. Nice, nice, nice. And this is where we keep all of the capsules.
It's all squares.
You put this on the second one and then this on 225.
On the second one. Yeah, but isn't it normally that it used to be different? Or it's different?
Yeah, but it's worn out. It's old.
I know, but I mean, I didn't know which one to put.
Okay, and then here is the lunchy.
I already put it in or not yet?
No, not yet. This is vegetables, spring rolls. The big ones, there's 2. These are for my parents. And then we have 4 medium spring rolls, also vegetable. 2 for me, 2 for my fiance, and then he will also have some of the mini ones because he be a hungry bear. Oh, and a while ago in one grocery store they had Asian Week, and me and my fiance were still out of the country, so I asked my mom if she can get a few things. And I asked her to get 2 packages of coconut ice cream, which is delicious, 2 packages of salmon teriyaki, and 2 packages of spring rolls. And she got, I think, 6 packages of salmon. She got 3 packages of coconut ice cream, and I think around 20 packages, I'm not even kidding, of spring rolls, which is ridiculous. So I think we have enough spring rolls for a year or so. And we started watching a new TV show, Witches of East End. OMG, it is cray cray, so good. No, but it's really good. It's about Amada and her 2 daughters, and basically they're all witches, and it's a lot of mystery and drama, and it's scary, and it's just really, really good. And you watch
Drama. Don't forget that.
Yeah, more drama, and you watch one episode and you're like, oh my god, this is so good, and then at the end of the episode you're like, what's happening next? Because it's a lot of cliffhangers and you just want to know more and more, and it's just so good, and it sucks you in.
Obsessed.
We are obsessed. We watched, I think, 11 episodes that are like 42 minutes. We watched it in few days, so we're really, really obsessed.
I'm here in the UK, but also here one thunderstorm coming. Well, luckily it's not raining that bad yet. Hey.
Hey, we just ate a delicious pizza that we made from scratch for the first time.
Well, you can check the Twitter account and had weeks back probably. Well, I hope not. But I mean, lately with the thunderstorms. Oh, not favor.
Yeah. We had one today, yesterday, and the day before that.
Yeah, and then we saw that in the UK, and we're like, no, well, here we have that too. Ooh, okay. Okay, it's this approximately the same distance. Well, you can't really see how much it is raining, not even here.